Oh hey, what's up guys? Trucker Curtis here. Have you ever wondered how you can get your commercial driver license? Great, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can get your commercial driver license. Woo! Step number one. It's kind of obvious, but I'm going to throw it out there anyways for you guys. So, one of the things you need to do to get your commercial driver license is get your regular driver license. You're definitely going to need that before you move on to commercial vehicles with the bigger stuff. So definitely the first step in getting your commercial driver license is going to be getting your regular driver license. That way you can get familiar with the rules and regulations, and so you're more comfortable with standard driving. Number 2, age requirement. So some states you can be 18, some states you can be 21. Usually it's 21, so you're gonna have to check with your state to see if it's 18 or 21 before you can apply to get your commercial driver license. Number 3, once you have those 2 steps down, once you make sure that you got your regular driver license and you're of age, then the next step is taking the trip down to your local DMV to go ahead and pick up a commercial driver's guide. Once you pick that up, I'll definitely study it front to back, page to page. Don't skip out on any pages. It's very important that you read it all because most of that stuff is on your test. So go ahead and study that commercial guide. Another thing you can do is download some apps on the Play Store if you have an Android. I'm not sure where you can find it on the Apple because I'm not an Apple user. But I recommend checking out some apps to help you with your study, because when you go take the knowledge exam, then you're going to find a lot of those questions that you saw in the app, they're actually going to be on the test. At least that's how it was here where I live. So between using the app and the study guide, it's pretty easy to pass. You can't fail. If you fail, keep using the study app. So cool. You're ready to take the test. You're feeling pretty confident, ready to go. I would just head to your DMV. Sometime when it's not busy, on a Monday, let them know you're there for your CDL permit, and they'll sit you on the computer and you'll go ahead and answer, I think it was like 30 problems. It really depends if you're gonna go for additional endorsements, which I highly recommend. That way you have more opportunity when you're looking for a job. Once you pass that, you'll go back up to the counter and let them know that you passed your exam. They'll give you your temporary commercial learner's permit. So once you have your commercial learner's permit, you're definitely going to want to go ahead and, I wouldn't waste any time, definitely going to want to go ahead and jump into school right away. Hopefully you found a good school. If not, then you can join one of those mega carriers. They'll find a school for you, or they might have their own programs. Just depend, but I recommend searching locally first, because most of the time you're going to get paid better than the mega carriers. Just saying. Either choice is great. Once you find a school, it's about 8 weeks long. I guess it really just depends on where you're at, what state, because every state's going to be a little bit different. And once you're done with CDL school, your school will set you up to take an exam for your road skill test. And usually it's about a week out. And you'll just go ahead and show up. I would show up about 30 minutes early. Calm your nerves if you're a little bit nervous like I was. Well, you shouldn't be because you've been practicing so hard in school, right? And now, congratulations, my friend. You now have a commercial driver license. I'd recommend checking out some companies in your area. If not, then you can hit up the mega carriers like Swift right in front of me. If you guys are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I put out videos weekly. And if you're thinking about getting your CDL license, or you have your CDL license and you're new, I do have some great videos that you can check out in the description below. In order to get your commercial driver license to drive the semi trucks or dump truck or dump oh my god, I can't talk. Step number 1. I'm hungry. Hold that thought. Ah.